So now you can able to see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you can see today topic advance payment or down payment. Both are same meaning. So yesterday I did full payment. You know that. So today actually we'll do down payment. Okay. So before that I have to create the GL advance to vendors. Creation of advance to vendor GL in your first 00. So now this is new server for me. I have to check. I will go to /n obd4. Here the company code is JLJL. We can see here under loans and advance I have to create now this one. That's your number is 200600. Okay. So now I'll go to FS00/n FS00 and 100 /n OBD4 JLJL 200600. Okay. So click on create option, update here 200600, enter, and in the account group here we have to select loans and advance. Select here loans and advance. So loans and advance coming under balance sheet, and here short text I have to update here vendor down payment. Copy the same thing here and go to control data. So here the reconciliation account I have to select now vendor and select your line item display, and the short key I have to use here 012. 012 means vendor number, and select here create bank interest, field status group. Field status group only I'm getting confused here. So one day actually I shared one PDF file. You know that? This one GL creation and all, right? You have the PDF file. How to create the GL? Hello.
Hello. Hello, sir. Where you have sent shared that PDF?
First day I say the GL creation. I send some PDF file to everyone, right? Because actually my server means I will copy from some other company code to your company code, right? So I want to select field status here. So which field status I have to select, I don't know exactly. Anyway, I will check from my end only because I have
So
to select.
this field status we have to remember, or we have to
No, they will
reference from
they
PDF.
will give the blueprint actually this and that.
Okay,
So
okay.
that's
Blueprint from company we will get.
yeah, company they will provide. What and all field status you have to select. No, from the
Okay,
company side only they will provide all this.
okay.
Anyway, I will check from my end.
Okay, sir.
See some sound I'm getting now in the background. Please put on mute. Okay, so vendor down payment, I have to select G026 accounts for down payment made because we are doing the payment, no? So G026. Yeah,
Yes, we are doing down payment.
yeah, we are doing the down payment, no? Made only, right? So we have to select
Yes,
this one G026 and the line item here, what they are select. Line item short key they are using 001 only. Okay.
sir. What is that line item display? If we not select, then what happened?
If you are not selecting this one, then you can't able to see the balance after posting.
Okay. And we can not also forward that balance to another fiscal year.
Uh-huh. First of all, you can't able to see the balance only, no. Then after
Uh,
that, we have to think about a balance sheet, correct?
correct, sir.
So everything actually some meaning is there. See, for example, if I'm not using the short key here, then you can't see the data in the balance, which date
Okay.
actually are doing the posting. Okay, so for everything actually some meaning is there in the back end.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
so now actually this like this you have to do. Okay. Uh, so I will show you one more time. In the account group, select here loans and advance. Loans and advance coming under balance sheet. And here, short text, you have to update here vendor down payment. And a reconciliation account, I'm selecting here vendors. Short key, I'm using here 001. And a create bank interest field status group, I'm using here G026. Accounts for down payment made. Okay. So now click on save button. So this is done. And this GL, what you created here, so you have to assign. In one more code, you can see here. Define alternative reconciliation account for vendor down payment OBOR. Okay. So what GL I have to assign? You know that this is GL 600. So I will go to slash and OBOR, enter, and here you can see the account type is K. K means you know the meaning already. K means vendor. You can see here, and
Yes, sir.
and A means here different meaning. A means here down payment. You can see here. So SGL IND means special GL indicator for down payment is EA. Okay. And double click here down payment and link your chart of account now JL. Click on enter and here you can see reconciliation account, right? So left hand side I have to select sundry creditors. Where is sundry creditors? This one. And the right hand side I have to select this one. Vendor down payment, what I created now. So you can see here vendor down payment. Okay. So left hand side full payment, right hand side down payment. So we have to maintain two types of balance sheet in the business. So then only the month end will come to know. So how much down payment and how much full payment, right? So two types of balance sheet I have to maintain. So assign the GL here and click on save. So the next
So
one,
what is that two types of balance sheet we are creating?
no, because actually first balance sheet I have to create for full payment.
Okay,
One more balance sheet I have to create for down payment.
okay,
Yeah,
okay,
then only I can track the business, right?
right, mhm.
If I'm maintaining only one balance sheet, then which is down payment, which is full payment, how we know, correct?
Right, sir.
So that is why I'm assigning two GL here. Left hand side sundry creditors and right hand side vendor down payment. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now next one we have to okay we will create on vendor now. So this is new chapter. I will go to XK01, update your company code JL and account group also I think JL only. Enter and select your company. I'll give some company name for example. I think I don't know actually what company, what vendor he is related actually. Okay, I will give now JP Morgan. It here vendor address, postal code, city Bangalore, and country IN, and the region I have to select here 10. Enter now double time, and here I have to select reconciliation account sundry creditors, and the short key I am using here 012 vendor number, and the cash management group I am selecting here A1 because right now my vendor is domestic vendor. I have to do domestic payment. Select here A1. Enter now, and here payment terms. So for time being I am selecting it 0001. 0001 means immediate payment. Select this. Right now your order is JP Morgan and click on save. Now you can see vendor has been created now. So the next step I have to do the posting. So I'll go to F-43, update your document date and posting date here, and select your vendor what you created now, JP Morgan. Enter now double time, update some invoice amount here, for example 10,000. So here narration being goods purchased from JP Morgan. Okay, and here you have to select 40, and here you have to select this one, purchase account GL. Enter now and update here star and plus, and go to document and simulate. So now how much you are purchasing? 10,000 materials through JP Morgan. Okay. Now click on post. So now you can see document was posted. Then after that I have to check my balance. Go to FBL 1N and select your vendor now JP Morgan and update your company code. Click on open item and execute. See now you can see red. Red means outstanding. How much? 10,000 we have to pay to JP Morgan. See now here I am doing only down payment, not full payment. Okay, this 10,000 I am making the payment partially, like 5,000, 5,000 like that. So if you want to do down payment in accounts payable, the T code I am using here, you can see the T code down payment made F-48. Okay, so now we'll go to F-48 slash n F-48 and update your document date and the posting date here, and select your vendor now JP Morgan, and the special GL indicator I have to select now A means down payment, and here bank account, select any bank account now. For example, I'm selecting now Indian Bank. So my overall outstanding is 10,000. So now I'm doing the down payment 5,000 here, and here narration being down payment DP made to JP Morgan. Okay, enter now double time and update here star and plus, and go to document and simulate. See now you can see how much you are paying, 5,000 to JP Morgan. Now click on post. So now the document was posted. Close this. If I go to list and refresh, so the amount is not changing now, correct? Why? Any idea? Now only I did the down payment, correct? If I go to list and refresh, the amount is not changing here, because for the down payment concept, you have to select these two options, special GL and noted items. Okay, once you select these two items, if I select your execute button, now you can see that 10,000 is the invoice amount, 5,000 is the down payment. How I know 5,000 down payment? Because you can see here A. A means down payment. The remaining balance how much? How much? 5,000. You understand what I'm telling here, right?
Yes, sir. But what is that types of account? I didn't get.
Types of account. Where is that?
Just now you shown us
No, you are saying here or some other screen.
some other screen, sir. Before that you have select, then that error is rectified. Here.
No, see, if I'm not selecting these two option, I'm seeing only 10,000. Okay.
Okay.
Now only I did the down payment, correct?
Okay.
But actually, I want to ask you, like, first time you are attending the class or how actually?
Sir, 2 days I am not attend the class because of I am not well.
Okay. See, now I did the payment, you know very well, right? So if I go to list and refresh, where is the payment actually? So that is why for down payment, actually we have to click these two options, special GL and noted items. Okay. If I select here execute button, now you can see the balance here. So 10,000 is the invoice amount, 5,000 is the down payment. How I know down payment? You can see here A. A means down payment, the
Yes.
remaining balance is 5,000. You got my point?
Okay. Yes, sir. Got it. Outstanding is 5,000.
Uh, See now from my end I'll decide to make the full payment. Now, okay. So once I decide to make the full payment from my end, what I have to do, I have to transfer this special GL. You can see transfer the advanced special GL to normal GL F-54. Okay, once you decide to make the full payment, we have to transfer advance to normal. Normal is your sundry creditors. So now what I'm
Okay.
asking here, now you can see here A, right? A means down payment, you know that.
Yes,
So
sir.
after doing the transfer, this A is visible or not?
After transfer, it will not visible. I think it will transfer to normal account.
Yeah, correct. The A is not visible. That is the logic here. Okay. So once you decide to make the full payment only, then I have to do the transfer. Okay.
Okay.
So now I will open one more screen here. Go to slash n f dash 54 and update your document date and posting date here. And the document type you can see here KA. KA means vendor document. And here I have to select my vendor JP Morgan and delete this. And here narration being special GL convert into normal GL. Normal GL is your sundry creditors.
Okay. Got it.
Enter now,
That's
double
why
here.
we are creating two balance sheet.
Correct.
Uh,
Yeah, sir, simply you understand, okay? Like
uh,
if you're doing any business, most of the customer they'll do down payment only. Some customer only they'll do full payment, right? So if
right.
you are maintaining two balance sheet only, then we'll come to know, correct?
Got it, sir.
One balance sheet is difficult for us. So enter here double time. Now you can see here I'm doing the transfer now. This 5,000. So transfer posting. So double click here, but here I have to get the amount here. What server actually this is I don't know. And if I double click here from my end, actually I'm getting the balance here, but this server I don't know. Anyway, we'll see. Now click on post. So now document was posted 301. Close this. Now you can see here A. Go to list and refresh. Now you can see the A is not visible. Okay.
Yes.
See, after doing the transfer, don't do any down payment. Okay.
Mm.
Now you target only full payment. Unnecessary, don't get confused from your end. Okay. After doing the transfer, my target only full payment. So 5,000 is the balance here. Anyway, you know which ticket I'm doing the payment. F dash 53. Go to F dash 53. Same thing. Update your document date and posting date. And here full payment. And here you have to select your bank account GL. And the remaining balance you know 5,000 full payment. And here you have to select now vendor JP Morgan. Enter now double time. And now you can see here 5,000 5,000 nullified, zero balance. So from your end there is no outstanding. Okay. So now click on post. So now document was posted. Close this and go to list and refresh. See now you can see here no items. No item means I cleared the item now. Click on enter and come back. Click on cleared item and execute. So now you can see here all are green cleared. You can see all the transaction here. So from your end there is no outstanding, zero balance. You got my point? What I'm telling here, right? Hello? Can you able to hear me or you are facing any internet issue?
No, sir. Got it, sir.
Got it, right? So the next concept actually we'll see cash discount received. See cash discount received in accounts payable for you income. So why I'm telling income for you, you are purchasing the goods from the vendor. From the vendor side actually you are getting the discount. Correct. So if you are getting the discount from the material for your benefit only, correct or not? Hello?
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So cash discount receipts is an income.
It's income first.
Correct. So before that actually we have to do some configuration. So first I have to create our own payment terms. So before that actually I will tell you one more point. I will go to XK02. XK02 means you know change the vendor. So select all this option. Select your vendor, update your company code here. So this and all already I created. See now every time I am selecting here 0001. You know the meaning. 0001 means immediate payment.
Immediately.
But in live actually no one is paying immediately. Okay, you have to understand that. So we have to create our own payment terms. First of all, as per the vendor. So how to create our own payment terms? The T code I'm using now /NOBB8 is the T code. Okay, enter now. Go to new entries And here payment terms any 4 characters. So for your understanding here, the company code, what is the company code? 1 minute, I'll check the company code. JLJL. Update here JLJL. And here I am giving one formula. 5%, 14 days, and 3%, 20 days, and 30 days, annually. So here I am giving one formula, right? Any idea what is this? Please tell me now. 5% 14 days, and 3% 20 days, and 30 days. There is no. So any idea what is this formula here?
Yes, sir. If you pay within 14 days, you get 5% cash discount. If you pay
Correct.
within 20 days, you get 3%
Eight
cash discount.
person.
That is the meaning here. You understand the logic here, right? So if you make it payment within 14 days, I'll get 5% discount. If you're making the payment within 20 days, I'll get 3% discount. 30 days means there is no discount, nothing. So that is the meaning. So here select document date or posting date as per the business. So right now I'm selecting document date and update the same thing here, what you updated here. Okay. So like this, you have to create your own payment terms in SAP. Okay. After this, we have to click on save button. So this payment terms, what I'm creating now, this payment terms I have to assign in my vendor master data. So now close this. So instead of 0001, I will assign now JL here. Okay, my own payment terms and click on save. So now the document is saved. And the next one I have to create now cash discount received GL in FS00 under direct income. So I will go to FS00. Any direct income is there? No direct income. Okay. So we'll go to OBD4 slash n OBD4. Click on position. Update your company code JLGL. You can see the direct income starts from 300200. Okay. Now close this. Click on create option. Update the GL number here 300200. Account group. I am selecting now direct income. So direct income coming under P&L. So here a shortcut I'm giving now cash discount received. And go to control data. Select your line item display. Short key I'm using here 001 and create bank interest field status group I'm using here G029. So select your revenue accounts G029. So everything is matching. Okay. And click on save. Okay, so like this we have to create the GL. So once we create the GL here, so we have to assign in one more T code. Define accounts for cash discount. So now define accounts for cash discount. Go to slash n OBXU, enter now and update your chart of accounts here JLJL. Click on enter and you can see cash discount received. So this GL I have to assign here. Click on save button and here I have to assign the GL. What GL I have to assign? Cash discount received. So select here cash discount received and click on save button. Okay. And after this I have to do the posting. So now I'll go to F-43. So So same thing, update your document date and the posting date here, and select your vendor now, JP Morgan, enter double time, update some invoice amount here, and here you can see the payment terms, what you updated now, you can see here, because you updated in the vendor master, right? That's why you can see the payment terms here, and here testing, and here I'm selecting 40, and here I have to select now this one, purchase account. And here I will give you one more example. I am giving here 15% okay, discount. If I am giving enter, um, okay, what happened? 15, come on. I am getting one error here, right? Why I am getting this error? You can see the error, right? Oh God, what is this? Any idea why I am getting this error?
The tolerance limit is exceeded.
Correct. In tolerance OBA4, I set up the limit up to 10% only I can give the discount, right? So now I'm giving 15%. That is why I'm getting the error. You understand the point, right?
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Yes.
Okay.
But
Now,
Yes, sir.
so now something I did. I don't know what I have to do now. So now once you understand the concept now, so give only 55%. Enter now and update here star and plus and go to document and simulate. So again, how much you are purchasing to the JP Morgan? 10,000 now. Click on post. So now document was posted. Again, go to balance FBL1 and select your vendor, update your company code, click on open item and execute. And I want to see my payment terms here. In my server I can see the payment terms, but I don't know why. Okay, anyway we'll see here. Change layout. Payment. Payment date is there. Payment method, terms of payment. Okay, we select this, copy, payment terms. I'm not seeing that option only, terms of payment. Terms of payment is there. Okay, but I'm getting one option in my screen here, but I'm not getting this option here. So here, for example, um, within 14 days, if you are doing the payment means you will get 5% discount. I told you, right?
yes, sir.
Then, in case if you are making the payment within 14 days, then how much you have to pay finally to the vendor? after getting the discount? Any idea? No idea. Hello?
Sir, can you repeat it? What you
What?
said? Can you repeat the same what you said?
I have to repeat my question.
Yeah, yes, sir.
So this payment terms I created now in OBB8, right?
Huh?
So 14 days, if you are making the payment, you will get 5% discount, correct?
Yes.
So now I'll make the payment within 14 days. Then
Okay.
I'll get 5% discount, correct?
Yes.
Then finally, how much I have to pay to the vendor? That is my question now.
5% discount means 3%.
It's
So
9,500, sir.
9,000 per house.
9,000 9,500.
9,000.
That's why,
500 is discount.
yeah,
500 discount.
yeah, that's why I'm asking you. Simple. 9,500 I have to pay, correct?
Yes. Yes, sir.
But in my server means I can show here only, but here I don't know. That's why I'm selecting the screen level. It's coming different point here. We will forget about that. So now we'll go for payment. F-53. So update your document date and the posting date here. And now I'm doing full payment. And here you select your bank account here. Update the outstanding amount here 10,000. Full payment. And here you have to select your vendor. So which vendor you have to select, JP Morgan. Enter now double time. See, now you can see here 9,500 you have to pay. Okay. And you can see here 500 rupees discount. 5%. Simple. Now select your document overview. And here you can see Indian bank account, right? So double click here and delete this amount. Copy that amount 9,500. Okay. And click on process open item. See, now you can see here finally how much you are paying 9,500, zero balance. You can see here 500 rupees discount. Simple. You got my point, right? Or still you have any doubt?
Clear.
It's clear, right? Okay. So next topic I have to take this one. Now I completed this one down payment cash discount receipt. The next topic we have to see house bank. Okay. Anyway, tomorrow Saturday Sunday. I need some rest from my end. I will go to some other place tomorrow, 2 days. So Monday morning we'll see the new topic house bank. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
So
one doubt, sir.
yeah, tell me.
Sir, you say for prayer, but the terms and conditions are not showing, right? In this
Mhm.
server. So why it's not showing, sir?
Means you are telling the terms of payment, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Because that's why actually I checked it here, and that's why my server the configuration I want to see first. Because if I go to FBL1 and if I click on execute here, for example, if I click on clear items or open item, whatever it may be, see here you can see different text here, assignment, document number, type, this and all, right?
Yes.
If I go to open item, here now I think there is no open item. Yeah, I cleared the item now. So when you click on clear item, see here I want to see the payment terms, what I created in the screen. I created now JLJ, right?
Yes.
See if you want to bring here, one concept is there. Now you can see the layout.
Yeah.
So type here payment. See payment date, something is there, right? So terms of payment, you can see here terms of payment, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
For this question, click on left hand button and click on copy. Now you can see the payment date and payment terms both.
Yeah.
See for this payment, no, I selected 0001 immediate payment. But this payment I selected JLGL, my own payment terms. Correct?
Yeah.
Like that, as per the business, I can bring here the screen layout, everything. But here I want to bring that one actually. But which option I have to select here exactly, I don't know. My server means I have some idea, but here I have to go one by one. It will take some time actually. That
Yes.
is why actually I can't search this. Okay.
Will
Safe.
show us Monday, sir.
Yeah, I will show you on Monday actually. My server is ready means I will show you. Here you can see the payment terms here directly, but here I'm not getting that. Here I'm getting only this one. Okay. So anyway, so do practice. So Monday topics you make notes. House bank. Okay. So we go for house bank. Then after that international tax configuration. Then after that TDS is the extended with the holding tax in the accounts payable. Okay. So on Monday morning, the same time like 9 o'clock or 8:45, we will connect the session. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So thanks to everyone. So Monday morning, actually, we'll see you again. So thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.